Hey y'all, this is your girl Pauline from my crafting hut. Welcome to my channel. Listen, I know a lot of people struggle with wrapping boxes. I know I did when I first started. So I decided to do this quick video on how I wrap my boxes. It's not perfect, and I don't know if anyone else does it like this, but this is what works best for me. So let's go ahead and see how this box turns out. All right. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the like and the comment. And I hope you stay throughout the entire video. Maybe somebody here struggling the way I am or have been would learn something beneficial to them. So, to my subscribers, high five. Thank you for still supporting your girl. I really appreciate you. Come on, let's just go ahead and wrap this box up. So, I have here this paper that I got from, let's bring that down a little bit, from Hobby Lobby last year. And I have this box from Amazon that I cut the top off. And so let's go ahead and do this. So I'm just cutting enough paper to go over the inside there like that. I'm not trying to do the entire box inside because no one's going to see that when you put your stuff, your supplies in it. So just enough to cover the top. And what I like with this paper from Hobby Lobby, it helped the line. So even though it might go off a little bit crooked, but not by much. So, yeah, let's do this. Okay. So the first thing I do is I bring the sides up here, get it to where I want to get it. And then I simply fold it in like that. And I put a piece of tape on it to hold it in place. That. I go to the other side. That over and cut it up as much as I can. That over. Put a little piece of tape on there to hold it in place. Then I simply, and this is part of where I might differ from what some people are doing, but it works for me. So I go ahead and I fold it in. What's my camera doing, man? Okay. I fold it in like that. And I bring the other side in, same. Fold that in like that. And let's take that to hold it in place. Okay, just like that. And now that I have that folded, I'm simply going to bring this part up and fold it over like that. Like that. Okay. Let's go ahead and take this in place. So far, we have 3 sides done, but I am going to put more tape on here to secure it. Now we're coming over to the other side. Okay, put some tape on my hand. Will make it easier for me to go ahead and tape them after. Okay, so coming over to the other side, and I'm going to bring that in. I'm making sure it's snug to the box. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Bring that in, making sure it's snug to the box. And then I'm going to tape them both down together. And then I'm going to bring it up, tighten it as much as I can. And let's tape that down. There. You have a nicely covered box. So now I am just going to secure the inside of the box just to make sure that it don't come loose while I'm working with it. And I'm just putting small pieces of tape on the inside here just to hold it down a little more. Just like that. And so, yeah, y'all. So I really found this to be the best for me. Um, I know some people might think, well, you don't want your box to look like that. But hey, the box is wrapped, it is neat, and if that's what works for you, go ahead and wrap your box. And there we have a nice wrapped box. Now, if you want, you can put a piece of tape on here just to smooth it out a little bit, like that. And put a little piece over here. Do the same thing on the other side. And the same thing right here. Okay, y'all. And that's your box. You have a nice box wrapped and ready to work your magic. And I think it took me less than 5 minutes. So I hope this helps somebody. Because, like I said, there's a lot of ways to do it. There's a lot of people making their boxes different ways, whatever works best for them. I don't think there's a right or wrong way to do it, as long as it's neat and it's working for you. So, thank you for watching this video, and I hope it helps someone in the box wrapping. So, if you made it this far, hopefully you saw something here that you liked. So I thank you, and until my next video, God bless and see you.